Hi, hello everyone. This is Mohammed Hassan Liyakath. Today I'm going to make a video presentation on Apache Hadoop and its uses on data lakes. Apache Hadoop is an software framework. So we all know that it's written in Java and is part of Apache Software Foundation. So it has services like distributed storage and distributed processing of large sets of data. So it can actually be designed for scaling single servers to thousands of machines, and each cluster in that is being offers local computation and storage. And Apache Hadoop includes Hadoop Common, Hadoop YARN, Hadoop Distributed File System, Hadoop MapReduce. This is a diagram of core capabilities of enterprise Hadoop. This is nothing but where is showing that how Hadoop can be helping large organizations to deliver enterprise data lake. It's showing governance and integration. So this is actually how is loading the data and manage according to its policy and enable both existing and new applications to provide value to the organizations. And also it can access in data simultaneously in multiple ways like batch, interactive, real times. And also it stores and processes all of your corporate data sets. So it enables security and a forward approach for authentication, authorization, accounting, and protection wise too. And also it empowers existing operations and security tools to manage data. Let's see what are the benefits we can get from Apache and enterprise level. So the Apache Hadoop has more benefits like its performance wise and scalability. So we can able to store, oversee, process, and write information at petabyte scale. Petabyte is nothing but is a massive amount of data that can be stored and is more reliable. So whenever you are storing large amount of data, so this it can be individual has to be stored in a group. So this is actually a strong one. So a group comes in short handling and be coordinated to the rest of the hubs, and information can be remediated in planning for future hub points. And it's more flexible to use than other Hadoop packages. Like normally their traditional relational database system, they don't have any structured schemas and stuff. But over here, you can store the data in structure or unstructured or semi-structured, whatever the directions you can actually able to see. And all these can be done in very low cost, like it's very restrictive. It's not like very restrictive at all. So since as we said discussed, it is an open source software, and it can be we can need only very minimum effort we need. Now let's come to the concept of data lake. So data lake is the another important structure here. So it's just nothing but it's like a storage device. So it can hold tremendous measures of like raw. I mean, which means like new informations which is not actually processed. So into a certain point. So these informations actually stored in a not in normal data in normal programming storage structures. They always put it in a folders or documents. But this data like what it does is like a like a level like a flat design to store the information. So that's how it's actually is extraordinary in identifying with arrangements of meta labels. So over here the diagram shows the data lake. Data lake have centralized content and scalability, and the access control is distributed with agility. And this is a data lake with a Hadoop structure, and there are total different data how the data lakes can be different characterized in different ways, like how it's gathering everything, like making plunge any place, like adaptive structures. And as long as the scale increase, the scope also increase. Because Hadoop data actually is when increased with new analytic gaps, that actually leads to the data lake process. So how a Hadoop and data lake process combine, because it's due to because of new analytical, it's like new analytical applications happen. That's why the data lake has been occurred. And so this Hadoop has is extremely compelling, since it's for a low cost scale out approach of database storage, and can provide to the needs of very largest web properties in the world. So Hadoop actually database is how it can actually help in large organizations delivery enterprise database, like because it can store massive data sets, like it can store data rack-wise, and it can also consumes massive and high velocity data. So like from either it's a regular batch or micro batches, and it can apply structure to an unstructured or semi-structured data from binary as a binary data. And also it can improve machine learning and predictive analysis from HDFS files to application logs. So this enterprise data lake has been achieved because of the benefits like dynamic directory synchronization and active directory authentication and podium phantom. So it's blend with the HDFS.